100 days we have been in school. It's an exciting time, 100 days together. You've been practicing counting to 100, counting by tens. You did your 100 projects. You've been filling in the number line for 1 through 100. Well, today's another one of those days where parents are going to have to decide how much they can do and if maybe you need to do it over more than one sitting. It's okay if your child cannot do this. Just encourage them to go a little further than their comfort zone and then stop. Because if they do the whole page without the understanding, it's not going to help. So look at this. I made the number 100 into a happy face. You are going to fill the 100 grid. But I want to show you some tricks, okay? Now, boys and girls, everybody in our class should fill in this much. Parents, if you think your child should do 1 through 20, and there are a lot, that's as much as they need to do, fold the paper up just like this. Fold it and let them do that. If they say, hey, I think I can go further, then fine. But when you see this, some children get very excited. They cannot wait to do it. And others, it's a little too much, and it just overwhelms them. So just show this part, and they can get to 20. But before you get started, boys and girls, stick with me for a minute, okay? I'm hoping you can see this. Now, on the board, where's my marker? Okay. On the board here, you can see that there is a number 1, and over here is the 10. Well, I'm going to teach you a good little trick. You don't have to do it this way. But I sometimes like to fill in my tens column. This is a column. It would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, I'll bring it closer in a second, 60. If you get stuck, I always stop and say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That's 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. And there it is. 100 is already there. So, that's a little trick I like to do to start, because then I've got everything set up. Now, if you want your mom or dad to fold this for you, just like that, so that all you can see right now are the first 2 rows, that's okay. It doesn't mean you have to stop there. So, let's do the first one. 1, what would go next? 2, 3. You can see I'm using a marker because I want you to be able to see it. 4. See how I'm being careful how I write my numbers? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, boys and girls, I want you to use a pencil, because if someone has to erase a little mistake you made, it would be much easier. Now, we went all the way to 10, and then Miss Red already has 11. 1, 1. 12. Well, this is going to be 2s. 1, 2. 3s. 1, 3. So it's 11, 12, 13. That's right, it's 14. If you don't know how to write 14, look up. 1, 4. 15. Oh, 1, 5. 16. 1, 6. 17. 1, 7. 18. 1, 8. 19. 1, 9. Very cool. Now, for children that want to keep going, I encourage you to do so. After 20 comes 21. Oh, look. 1, 1, 1. 2, 1. Encourage your child to find patterns. 21, 22. Look at this. 2, 1, 2. Oh, this is going to be 2, 2. 3. Oops, I did it wrong. 2, 3. See, if I had a pencil, that would look better. 21, 22, 23, 24. 2, 4. If they get stuck and they say, I don't know what comes next, help them say the numbers again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If they say, I don't know how to write 25, say, well, let's look. I think it's a pattern. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and then be quiet. And 10 to 1, they're going to say 2, 5. And if they don't, it's a pretty good clue that this paper, they've gotten to the farthest point that they need to go today. They need to be strong on writing their numbers to 20. That is the kindergarten benchmark. However, I like to give a little challenge to anyone who thinks they can fill in a 100 grid. Now, if your child writes to 20, they have a little extra time. Please get them on to happy numbers if you have not hit Module 4 yet. If you've hit Module 4 and your child says, this is getting tough, then wait, because we will start Module 4 the Monday we come back from vacation. So, have fun, boys and girls, with math. There's patterns everywhere. Enjoy the day.